jong ka party hadin ba ngara simti mga ko President juga state party hapon negara te ngilaya thau bian ya ka committee hadu ka executive committee rengkat ru ka tim ka batumai ki executive ke office beras toro te menta ka kenting ida ya ngiyalum ya ki office beras mendai ya ka executive committee baru kawai ngislum suatan ki office beras ki betraina do ki working president, ki vice president, general secretaries, ki spokesperson, nang dangidon ki advisors, kita ter ki ba ladon lepa kat kum ka provision jok ke constitution jok parti. Dia kata kada ki jing kedulang rengkat ban ni ai ru ia ka jing ka banang ni sikman. Kin simti no ila ke jong kam kum mangina IT aki kadang ba ngin penia sikmat ya ke jing rekam jok ke parti jing ya pok selama ke lapor koi. So many, not less than 5-6 this week till this week you will be the first person to know who will be the candidate. So please don't insist me on that because still it is confidential until unless the national president, unless the president of the NPP national approve it, I am not allowed to say anything on that. Please wait maybe till Saturday. So hopefully the national president, honorable national president, will give us the green signal. Constituencies. If I propose 3-4, then it's so odd. And not only that, we create confusion to the High Command. So we propose one from Tura constituency and one is from Shillong constituency.